This is the Series 7 rat trap instruction video. You can find out if this video is for you by checking the serial number on the back of the rat trap. If it starts with R7, then you can continue watching. To switch on the rat trap, press buttons 1 and 2 simultaneously until the LED turns red. The trap will now start up. When the LED turns off, it means that the trap is connected to the network. To check out the functioning of the rat trap in between, press the button in the middle, 2, briefly. The LED will blink blue, and if the trap is within range of the gateway, the LED will turn blue and the status of the trap will be updated to the portal. Arm the trap with both hands to avoid injuries. The LED light will blink blue, and as soon as the trap is connected, the LED will turn blue and the rat trap is now in normal mode. If the trap is temporarily unused, you can put it into the deep sleep mode. This way the battery will last longer. Just keep both buttons, 1 and 2, pressed for about 5 seconds until the red LED turns off. The trap is now in the deep sleep mode. If, after letting go of the buttons, no LED is burning and the trap doesn't respond after pressing the back button, number 2, to test the range, you know that the deep sleep mode has been reached. You can reset the trap by pressing both buttons 1 and 2 simultaneously. Press the buttons until the LED turns red. The trap will now rerun its startup procedure. After about 3 seconds, the LED goes out and the rat trap is in the normal mode. The rat trap has now been reset.